What is up, peeps? No, I'm supposed to say yo. What's my thing? Yo, today is another mystery bag unboxing. Yes, I've been doing so many of these lately and I'm not complaining. I really enjoy getting surprised. We are bringing you a ColourPop Mystery Bag unboxing. Let's get wild here. This bag was $25 and you get over $50 worth of beauty products. So that's what it said in the ColourPop website. So, and I'm also barefaced, that way I can try on products too. Let's get to the first item. Ooh, here we have a Super Shock highlighter, and it looks green in the camera, but it is a very pale pink. What am I doing? I could just open it up and show it to you. See guys, it's like 10 p.m. at night. I shouldn't be doing this. Here it is. Ooh, pretty. So let's try this on first. I don't have highlighter. Let me get a brush. Go away. So let's try this highlighter on. Actually, let's try it on first on me. Does my hand look shiny? I don't even know. Oh, it's actually really nice. It's like a very glazy shimmer. And it has some sparkles in there too, like multicolored purple, pink. Sparkles. Put some more on. It's funny because the texture is kind of creamy and feathery and velvety texture to this highlighter. This is cool because I never tried any ColourPop highlighter, so I got that. All right, next thing. I have here a volumizing mascara, and I don't have mascara on, but let's put this on. I think I might have an eyeshadow, but we're gonna do this all out of order because it's, you know, it's a mystery unboxing, so who knows? I can't open this. I can never open anything. Whee! Let's see if it focuses. So let's try this on. Do you see the difference? Look at that one, and look at this. It actually kind of lifted them. So this is without curling my lashes. I have big lashes too, guys, so this could be deceiving for some people. My sister hates me because she has literally no lashes, and I took all the lashes. And I'm not a big lash person. So I'm like, I'm sorry for taking all the lashes in the womb. That was a volumizing mascara on me. So we have the highlighter and the mascara. A lot of stuff in here. We have a lippy. I think we have multiple lippies. Let's do this. So we have a lippy in Ziggy. Ultra glossy lip. So let's try the Ziggy. I have this actually. Let me tell you about the Matte X formula from ColourPop. If you have not tried a lippy that's Matte X, you are missing out. So if you love long wear lipstick that feels very velvety and actually stays, it doesn't feel like sticky or anything like that. This formula from ColourPop is like revolutionary. I'm not kidding you. It's my favorite. It's all I wear. It does dry my lips a little bit, so I use a lot of that Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask to help it out, but it's totally worth it. Kid you not. These lippies are amazing. So I got Ziggy, so it's like a brownish, what do you call it? Like a reddish brown, like a brown with a hint of red or orange. I'm really bad at figuring out colors. So this is how it looks. It looks actually exactly how it looks on the screen right now. But I'm gonna hold on to putting this on. I'm gonna see what else is there. But we also have a Champagne Mummy, a lip, ultra glossy lip. I don't know what color this looks like. All right, it's almost similar to Ziggy. I think it could be a good one to layer on top. Oh, there it is. So let's see, I might put Ziggy with some of this on top. We're gonna keep going on and I'll swatch them because I feel like there's more. Yeah, we have Ultra Blotted Lip. I actually have not heard of this before. I'm not sure what it is. Liquid lipstick in a color almost similar. These are the color range. It's kind of kind of similar, just a little bit more reddish, pinkish tone. This is how it looks like. I'm debating what to try on, so let's go to the next one. We have an eyeshadow. I feel like we have two eyeshadows. We have multiple eyeshadows. So we're going on with, let's show both of them. This one's Party of 5 and this one is Sequin. Another two kind of similar. I think I'm gonna put this one on my eye because I don't want to take too long to put this one because it's a little bit darker. I'm gonna put on Sequin. Sequin? I keep want to say sequins. I was gonna swatch it on my hand, but it always comes out different on your hand than your eyeball. I can always call my eye eyeball. But this is like a matte with a hint of glitter finish. There's Sequin. Sequin. And then we're gonna try Party of 5. It's very silky too. Super silky. So these are the two colors. So this is Sequins on here, and this is Party of, what is it? Party of 5. With my eyeballs. Woo! All right, you can actually really tell that I'm wearing two different colors on my eye. We have about, what, 2 products left? And we have a lipstick Luxe lipstick. What is this? Velvet Blur. So I got an email the other day about this formula, and I was almost gonna order it, but I couldn't figure out where it was under the category in ColourPop because you have to like search it and I couldn't find it. But I'm excited that I got this because I really want to try this, guys. I think I might try this lipstick. So look at the stars. How cute is that? So we have 4 for your lips, and we have one more item here. Oh, yes. We have one more item, and it's a pressed powder eyeshadow color. I'm probably gonna put this in the middle of my, what do you call, I can't think of the word right here. Teardrop? What do we call it? You see, this is too late. This is too late for me. But I'm gonna just dab it in the inner corners of my eye. So I'm gonna do inner corners. It might be too dark for it. Actually, it's not too bad. It matches the mood. Oh my god, I got a lasagna. Let's get wild. Let's put it all the way below. That's pretty. See my inner corners. Stare into my inner corners. I will find your soul. Okay, sorry. I'm being a little creepy there. That was Snake Eyes. All right. Last but not least, we're gonna do lips. So I have these 4 lipsticks that I got. I'm gonna do Ziggy. All right, guys, so I have Ziggy on. Look at this. Mwah. And I'm going to layer it with some of this, what is it, the gloss? I think I lost, oh, it's right in front of me. Some of this Champagne Amami gloss. I'm not a big gloss person, but for you, I'm gonna put some gloss on top of this. Just a little bit. All right. Some shimmery gloss that's in the family. I'm a model for you now. Hey. Do you like my $1 Urban Outfitter sweater? I literally did get it for $1. You know what? I'm gonna try on both of these. I'm gonna swatch both of them for you because why not? Let's just do it. Let's do it. It looks like I have liner. Actually, I'm gonna leave that. I'll leave it like that because then it's gonna look crazy. So we're gonna try on the Velvet Blur in Lucky Strike. I never felt anything like this on my lips before. It kind of feels like when you're applying lipstick but nothing's coming on so you keep applying. ColourPop and their formulas are amazing. That is Lucky Strike. That looks pretty. And you know what? I'm gonna layer this on top of this because why not? I layer lipsticks on liquid lips all the time. It's almost the same, it's almost in the same color family. And this feels really satin. Kind of like the liquid form of what I had on. So there you go. I combined 2 colors and 2 formulas and it still feels amazing on my lips. There it is. This is Dozy Ultra Blotted Lip with the Velvet Blur. there you have it. Woo, we did it. We applied everything and we unboxed it to the max. Yeah. So I got about 9 products, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think so. And I did the calculation in the $45 to $50 range, so right under $50 worth of products. For $25, it is worth it. I say if you want to try a mystery bag, go ahead and do this one as your first bag, because it's $25 and they give you a variety of products, and plus the products were on the neutral side of color, and it's kind of safe to say that you can put these on every day. So I love this box. There's not one thing I didn't like. I love it all. I love all. This little troublemaker, Felix, aka Philly, Phyllis, Feliciano, Philly Butt, Philly Cheesecake, he has a lot of names, was in my closet next to me and he was crying. So he had to be in the video. So he's saying to like the video, be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at ChrisRocks. And he says, hopefully you enjoyed the video. And I could hear him say that he wants to try on makeup too. You want some makeup? You want some makeup kisses? No, you got some blush. Be sure to tune in my channel next time for another mystery bag unboxing. Who knows what it could be? Oh, this child's hurricane. He made his appearance, but thanks guys. See you later.